Hello everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to summarize a PDF with Claude AI. So firstly, open up Claude AI, go to the official website, and then you can log into your account. So I'm just going to log into my account, and then once you've logged into your Claude AI account, so now what we're going to do is simply upload the PDF document. To do that, click on the plus icon here and then hit on upload a file. And then now choose the PDF file that you want to summarize. So just choose that, look at the file, and then choose it. So for example, I'm going to use this file here. Okay, so once you've uploaded these, what we're going to do, give a prompt. So just type in this prompt here. Just mention summarize this PDF document in bullet points. Okay, if you want it in bullet points, okay, or if you want to add anything, you can just do that. Once that's done, all you're going to do is hit on this send option here. Okay, send option here and wait for the Claude to do its job, and it will simply, there you go, it will simply like send you the summarized version here in bullet points. As you can see here, there you go, this is the summarized version of the PDF that I just uploaded, and that's how you do it.